In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create discount codes for your products in Stripe. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Then, sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Product Catalog, where all your Stripe products are organized. Inside the catalog, navigate to the Coupons section, which is where you can create and manage all your discount codes. Click the Create Coupon button to start setting up your offer. From there, give your coupon a name and choose the type of discount you want, such as a percentage off or a fixed amount off. Next, decide how long the coupon will remain valid, whether it's for a limited time or indefinitely. You can also set redemption limits, controlling how many times the coupon can be used and whether it's available to new customers, returning customers, or both. After reviewing each setting, click Create Coupon, and your discount code will be ready to share with your audience. With just a few steps, you can easily set up promotions and boost customer engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Stripe tools.